Let's appreciate Gomongo Choir tafadhali kwa makofi mazuri.
I'm Linda Onyango from the Gomongo Ministers Choir, SDA Church, Gomongo South, which is in Gomongo Estate. Our choir was formed 3 years ago. We mainly perform on compositions and hymns. We are a church group, so the fact that we come together as young people to sing words of encouragement and follow what God told us to do in the Bible, that's what brings us together and motivates us as the Gomongo ministers. If we win this money in the Battle of Choirs, we will, 1, give tithes back to God, and then 2, we have projects as a group that we are doing. That is 1, we are buying a modern public address, so definitely this money will form part of the money that we are using to buy the public address, and then of course motivate our members for the hard work they've done so far.